Today, we're going to enjoy a scene from one of the best anime ever, Demon Slayer. But that's not all, we're also going to learn some new English words and expressions. And if you enjoy learning English through anime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment below.
Blood! Someone in that temple is hurt! Maybe it's not too late to save them!
The word temple means a place of worship where prayers and religious rituals are performed. The word temple refers to pagan temples in religions such as Hinduism, Shinto, and Buddhism.
And the massive Angkor Wat is the most famed of all Cambodia's temples. It even appears on the nation's flag.
Hello, kind meatbag. Stranger. What seems to be the problem?
The word meatbag literally means a bag of meat, but it is a slang word used in a funny or sarcastic way to mean a human. Examples: you stupid meatbag, kind meatbag. So, meatbag is a sarcastic slang word for a human. It is often used in science fiction movies and games when a robot or a non-human character talks to a human.
Meatbag! Oh, this! Well, my friends and I were just playing Twister, but I accidentally tripped.
The phrase playing Twister refers to a popular group game played on a mat with colored circles. Players must place their hands and feet on specific colors according to the spinner, and as the game continues, they try to keep their balance without falling.
Oh, this! Well, my friends and I were just playing Twister, but I accidentally tripped.
The word tripped is the past tense of the verb trip, which means to stumble and fall. The phrase I accidentally tripped means I stumbled by accident, or I tripped accidentally. The demon says, I accidentally tripped, meaning that he was playing Twister and lost his balance, causing him to fall. He lost the game, but he claims that his fall was an accident.
And my mouth made contact with their flesh. Repeatedly.
The word flesh means the meat of a human or an animal. The body, in some context, as opposed to the bones or the spirit. The phrase, my mouth made contact with their flesh, means my mouth touched their body, or my mouth touched their flesh. According to the context, it means that the speaker's mouth accidentally came into contact with their bodies.
And my mouth made contact with their flesh. Repeatedly. Because they were delicious. Okay, screw this, I'm just gonna kill you.
The phrase screw this is an informal English expression used when someone feels frustrated, angry, or fed up and decides to stop doing something or give up on it. It means, damn this. I'm not going to continue. To hell with this. Now, you can watch the video again without subtitles to practice listening and pronouncing the words we've learned.
Blood! Someone in that temple is hurt! Maybe it's not too late to save them!
Hello, kind meatbag. Stranger. What seems to be the problem? Oh, this! Well, my friends and I were just playing Twister, but I accidentally tripped, and my mouth made contact with their flesh. Repeatedly. Because they were delicious. Okay, screw this, I'm just gonna kill you.